Factual evidence. Strengthen your argument. Hello learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of GMAT and GRE essay writing. As we continue our journey through the Supporting Your Argument segment, it's time to unravel the mysteries of factual evidence. Ever wondered how to make your argument rock solid? Well, factual evidence is one of the keys. Let's explore. Factual evidence refers to information based on actual facts and data. This is concrete, undeniable proof that can be used to support your arguments. Unlike opinions or personal anecdotes, factual evidence can be verified and is often considered more reliable. Imagine claiming that global temperatures are rising. Without evidence, this is just a statement. But with factual evidence, like a scientific report showing year-by-year temperature increases, your claim becomes much stronger. 1. Credibility. Using factual evidence in your essay immediately boosts your credibility. Readers or listeners are more likely to be persuaded if they see you've done your research. 2. Strengthens your argument. It provides a firm foundation for your claims, making them harder to refute. 3. Clarifies and elaborates. Often, factual evidence can help elucidate a point, making it clearer for your audience. Remember, in the context of GMAT and GRE essays, a well-supported argument can be the difference between a good score and a great score. 1. Direct quotations. Use exact words from a reliable source. For instance, according to the World Health Organization, over 1 million people die from mosquito-borne diseases each year. 2. Statistics. Numbers can be persuasive. Research shows that 70% of smokers want to quit. 3. Historical examples. Past events can be evidence too. The economic crash of 2008 was a result of 4. Case studies. Detailed accounts of specific events or situations. The city of X reduced its pollution levels by 50% in 10 years by. Always ensure you cite your sources, even if it's in a generalized manner like a study from Harvard University. There you have it. Incorporating factual evidence is like adding pillars to your essay, making it stand tall and firm. Remember, the aim is to convince, persuade, and inform. And what better way to do that than with facts? Happy writing, and may your essays always be grounded in solid evidence. Until next time, keep learning and growing.